Hi there! Do you want to learn Power Automate and simplify your workflows? In this video, I will share one of the lessons from my Power Automate module on my Udemy course. If you want to access the course, check the pinned comment below or become a channel member to unlock all the lessons. Let's get started. Now that our flow is running, let's see how to organize this better. We have something called scopes, where you can group several actions together and make it more organized. Let's edit our flow and see how to add them. I'm going to click on Edit, and then, as I mentioned in the previous class, this one is not necessary anymore. So let's right-click on it and delete. These three actions are actions regarding time conversion. So let's group them together. You cannot select them and group. But we have something called scope. So let's click on Add to select a new action and search for scope. And here we have, under the control actions, we have scope. Let's click on it. And this will add this that looks like a box. We can drag things inside it. So we can start dragging, keeping the same order. And now this can be collapsed. And all the things regarding time conversion is in here. So if we click in the scope, we can rename to time conversion. It doesn't change anything in the logic of the flow, but keeps things organized. For example, the second part here, where we have these actions regarding data manipulation and sending the email, we could group them. Let's group these four actions here. So let's add a scope, again, scope, drag things inside it. Let's rename it to data manipulation and contacts loading. And then we can collapse. And now we have the flow only with visually 4 actions, but we know that if we want to change something regarding time conversion, we just expand this and start working on the actions that we want. Do you want to watch the classes without any interruptions? By becoming a channel member or purchasing the course, you can watch ad-free and support the future of my content creation. Check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment to get started. See you in the next lesson.